Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. So I got myself a lot of stuff from them, and this is going to be a very quick haul. I just want to show you guys what all I got and my recommendations from Bath and Body Works, because I literally love this brand and I shop from this brand 365 days a year. So not literally 365 days a year, but yes, whenever I run out of something, I run to Bath and Body Works. So I'm just going to pick out whatever comes in my hand and be very quick with it. So first I have this black cherry merlot gel hand soap, because I love Bath and Body Works hand soaps. I always have them around. I have them in all of my bathrooms. So the next one, I have this aromatherapy eucalyptus and spearmint soap. It is a foaming hand wash. Then I have hand sanitizer, and this is in the variant Pure Wonder. I don't know if you can see. It's just a basic it's just a basic bottle with the scent whichever is mentioned. Then I have winter candy apple travel size. Okay, so I have this thing where I buy all the travel size variants from Bath and Body Works. I have never in my life been able to finish a full size, because I have the other products that I use on my body and on my hair and everything. So candles and these travel size ones are the only one that I pick up, because these are the only one that I can finish. I did not buy candles this season, because I have a lot of candles that I'm trying to burn up. So once my stock is over for the candles, then I'll buy a new one, because I have around 9 to 10 candles with me which I have not been able to burn. So I'm trying to get through all of them and then I'll buy new ones. So I have this is a tag that I bought. This is very beautiful, if you can see. This is a very beautiful tag that I bought, and it is for my college ID. I just applied for masters, so whenever I need to go to college, I'll just put in my ID in here, couple of cards, and then there is a place for the Bath and Body Works sanitizer also, and it stretches up like that. It's very cute, so I got it. The next thing I have is again a hand soap. I bought a lot of hand soaps this time, because I try to collect hand soaps when there is sale and then go through them throughout the year. So I buy 2 times a year, whenever there is a semi-annual sale and when there is the annual sale. So I have this kitchen line variant. Oh my god, a piece of... Okay, I hope this focuses. I have this kitchen line variant with me. Then I have the travel size variant of Mad About You body lotion. It is a very beautiful smell. I love the fragrance of this, and I always buy travel size, I've told you. So once I get over with this one, I'm going to buy a kit, the whole kit of it, which comes with shower gel, body lotion and spritz. Now I have another hand sanitizer. It is in the variant Champagne Toast. Champagne Toast is one of my favorite fragrances from Bath and Body Works. I just love it. I just love it. Okay, now we have Japanese Cherry Blossom. That is also a travel size variant. I don't think if anything is focusing. So this is Japanese travel. So this is Japanese Cherry Blossom that I picked up. Next we have this Market Peach variant of the room spray, and you just need a little bit, and the whole rooms it fills the whole room with a beautiful fragrance. So I really like them. So I buy these concentrated room sprays from time to time from Bath and Body Works, and they're amazing. You should try it once in a while. Otherwise, I have the diffuser on in every room. I also rely on my diffusers and essential oils. but I buy them time to time whenever there is a discount. So the next thing I have is champagne toast body cream. Yes, it's a body cream, and so there is a difference of concentration in body cream and body lotions in Bath and Body Works, so you might want to check that out. You might want to keep that in mind. So I have 3 hand gels. So one is in Sunshine Mimosa, one is Eucalyptus Spearmint, which is also a really nice fragrance. One is in Winter Candy Apple variant. And that's all, guys. That's all I got from Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. And there is just one trick to shop from Bath and Body Works. Just make sure that you stock up a lot in the sale time, because that's when they have the brilliant discounts. And that's what I do. For candles, I shop for body creams, I shop for body mist, everything I shop around these sales, and then it lasts me through another sale. So that was it. That's all that I got from Bath and Body Works this semi-annual sale. I hope you guys have stocked up a lot also. So let me know in the comments down below what all you prefer to buy when there is a Bath and Body Works sale going on, because this is one of our favorite brands. Admit it or not, I just love them. It smells like heaven. Okay, that's too much. You have a great day, you have a great time. I'll take your leave now. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. I have a lot of new videos coming down for you guys, so please make sure you subscribe. Okay, bye bye.